MathWorks sponsorship for the EcoCAR 2 competition is instrumental in the students being successful throughout this 3-year-long design competition.
MathWorks has been amazing. The facilities they have here that they've allowed us to use to do the training are exceptional.
The EcoCAR 2 program, it's all about really building smart vehicles. Over the last 20 years, vehicles have come to be dominated by having many microprocessors in there, many computers, as many as 50 or more to control them. It's greatly expanded the possibility of how cars can be designed, what they're capable of doing. And MathWorks builds tools that help design these cars of the future, these cars that are really smart cars full of mathematics and algorithms.
When the controls students are developing these vehicles, what they mainly work on is the supervisory control system. And that supervisory control system is really the brain of the vehicle. Its foundation is in MATLAB Simulink.
MathWorks is a great sponsor because they provide the software that we use to program our supervisory controller. Without it, we wouldn't be able to have a controller that runs all the components in our vehicle. You can simulate things and figure out how things are going to interact before putting it into an actual vehicle. So even though we have a car, we still want to check and make sure everything works before putting it into the car, because the car costs a lot of money and has a lot of components that we haven't tested to work together before.
Currently, we have our 2013 Malibu, and we've been disassembling it. In parallel with this, we've also been doing some model development on our software, as well as some component testing with actual components, such as starting our engine up on a bench.
This program, these students, they get it. You know, they're in an engineering discipline, and the doors are going to open wide for them as they graduate.
I think programs like EcoCAR give students a great step up and an opportunity to build careers out of projects like this, and really real-world experience before going into the workforce.
I'm an engineering student, so I work with MathWorks and MATLAB and Simulink and all their products, and they definitely, you know, they donate so much and make this all possible. You know, I can't say thank you enough to them. They're an amazing group. You know, they were kind enough to have us all out here and have us in their headquarters for 3 days, and they're a great bunch of people. Everybody I've met from there is really nice, really friendly, and yeah, they're a good group of people.